This thing's supposed to be a fun little project, which was a 4x4 RC car with like a face, with a monitor and a face. Did not work, I burned the monitor. So we're gonna turn it into something else. I got this thing. This thing is a parking sensor. It got an LCD, which we're gonna be stealing. We're gonna steal this powers, whatever this thing is, some of the sensors, and you will see what we're gonna make. So in a matter of minutes, bam, I swap the receiver. Now we're gonna put this cover. This is 3D printed, will be available for free, whoever needs it. There's two ways to attach this one: screws or glue. We completed the first part. So we got the LCD here, and we got the back monitor cover, which we're gonna glue here. Let me bore you for a moment. This is very complicated for what I'm doing, and it's not necessary. You can just make a simple board like an Arduino and just have something else. But I cut the connector and I soldered the connector shut, so there's no connector. It just goes directly to the screen. And then the screen here, this is like I said, backup camera for a car. So it has of course, it has the monitor, the LCD, and it has two beepers. So in the place of the beeper, of one of the beeper, I remove it, and I will be adding the light, a LED light, a powerful LED light. So basically, it will be blinking when it will come near to an object, and probably there will be a way to reverse this one and do it in a way that if it will come too close, that it activates like a switch, and it activates like if you want to make it as an airsoft prop, maybe it activates like, you know, some kind of a thing that shoots BBs or something like that. So I'm gonna solder this one. Sorry for boring you, but that's how I'm gonna use this one. It's just a prop, and it's a fun little prop. So we need a sensor here. Bam, I went to Fusion. I designed an adapter, and we're gonna glue it here in front. So this is our complicated board. We got the switch for the lights, we got the switch for the IC, and we got the switch for the screen. So when you press this one, it opens the screen and the blinking lights. The rate of the blinking light depends on how many meters it's close to an object. Then you just turn it off. I run the sensor from the front, as you can see. I did put a resistor because this originally came with a very long cable, and that cable dictates the resistance, so it's calculated for the meters that it will show. I put just a regular resistor to just give me more or less what it was before. Now we're gonna let's add the cover. first idea with this one was to have like a face here, like I had an LCD here just to display a face, to have a fun little robot like that, but I burned the screen. I put the volts in the wrong place, so no, I had to come out with a different idea. This, like I said, you can do much different combination with this one. This is necessary to use a parking sensor or anything like that. You can use servos, you can use a turret on the bottom, the top. You can basically do whatever you want with this. I just give you the base, you can do whatever and modify it. This is very common IC and cheap IC that you can find online. I think they're like 15 to 10 euros. It will be cool to have like a BB gun here. I may do that in another video. If this video will have interest, why not? We may add a turret here or do a different robot. This we're gonna call it Robo 1, my first like robot. It is heavy though because of the battery, but it performs well. As you can see, this is the remote, forward, backward. That's how you steer. You have your lights for the switch here, which opens the lights up. You got this here for the screen, which opens the screen. And the last one here is for your RC. It's not always the point to build something useful or something that you can use. Sometimes the point is to educate yourself so you can be better in the future project. That's what I did here. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.